A South Auckland doctor is begging for hapu māma to be vaccinated against whooping cough, as the area is experiencing an increase in the disease. Dr. Andrew Connolly, Chief Medical Officer of Te Whatu Ora County's Manukau Health, said that whooping cough has taken 3 PPI lives so far this year. The disease can be prevented if mother is vaccinated, immunity passing to baby through placenta, protecting it throughout first year of life. Connolly expressed concern that only 25% of Māori have ever received the vaccine, compared to 50% of pregnant women overall. Connolly says has seen a general decline in vaccines during the MOT of COVID-19 vaccine hesitancy, but the pertussis vaccine has been around for years.